Guys, we are on to another topic, and today's topic is advanced keyword research. So I'll be showing you some technique of advanced keyword research, guys. So let's get right into this. So guys, the first method will be on searching on Amazon search bar, guys. So as you can see here, I type some random words, dog. So guys, I type dog jacket. For example, if your product that you are selling is dog jacket, then for example I type dog jacket, and here Amazon shows you the result that people are searching for. So people are searching for small dogs, medium dogs, large dogs, waterproof with leash ring harness, for large dogs winter rain. So what you can do is you can write this down, like for you can write the small dogs, you can write medium dogs, you can write large dogs, waterproof, leash ring harness, large dogs for large dogs winter. And what you can do is adjust in your title or somewhere else in the description, guys. So this will be a different topic I will show you in listing process. So guys, this is the way you can find keywords for your next Amazon FBA product, guys. And guys, let me show you another example here on Amazon search result. For example, baby. For example, baby, let's type SANDALS, baby sandals. These are the exact word that people are searching for on Amazon, guys. So as you can see here, you can get idea from this search results, and this may be most valuable item, guys. So guys, as you can see, another product research tool method is from searching on merchant words, guys. As for example, I have typed merchant words, and they will show you the list of product that people are searching on for Amazon, guys. So from here you can download this into your Excel sheet and choose what fits your listing, guys. So these are the top searched keywords, guys, like organic protein powder, whey protein powder, isopure protein powder. So these are the top ranked and searched keywords, guys, for protein powder. So guys, this is just an example, and you have to put your name here and hit that search button. And guys, another tool that I find helpful is this is keyword tool. You can search this on Google for keyword tool, and this icon will pop up, so you can click on the link. And as here, so guys, this is keyword tool, and this may be optional for merchant words. And guys, this is a free tool, and I find this tool very helpful, as it shows the word, and you can choose the word from here also. It's same as merchant words, but if you want to get this data, you have to join their pro plan. You have to join their keyword tool pro plan. So this is another optional tool for guys like merchant words. And another technique is from searching on Google Trends. As you go to Google Trends, so guys, as you come to Google Trends, you can search your word here, and you can also check its trend here, and down here you can search what people are searching, guys. This may not be as effective as the method that I showed you earlier, but guys, this can also be an option for you to search for your keywords, guys. So as you can see, you can search here what people are searching for, guys. So I hope you found this video helpful, guys, and I will see you in my next video.